My lovely Aries, today we are going to do a general reading for you. This is going to include the recent past, your present and future. The reading is from 22nd June 2020 to 28th June 2020. Let's see what guardian angel has to give you. Oh, Wheel of Fortune, 10 of Pentacles, Judgment card, Three of Cups, Seven of Wands, Knight of Cups, ooh, the Tower, Eight of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Let's see. So this is the Knight of Pentacles, and I think it represents you. You have always been a very strong personality. You think before your move, and these cards show your recent past, and it shows that everything was very much in your control. You were very happy. The Wheel of Fortune is there, 10 of Pentacles, very happy with your family, celebrating, and the money was good, the emotions were good, everybody was helping each other. But something has happened in recent past, maybe something that you deserve which you did not get, because this is the Judgment card, which is reversed. So something that you did not get, and you got little upset about it. But this really hampered your mindset, your emotions in the recent past. And if we talk present, cards show that there is still some kind of celebration going on in your family. People are happy and there is some get together, but due to maybe the wrong judgment which happened in past, maybe you are still struggling in lot of things in your life. देर इज़ अ सेंस ऑफ लॉस. आपको डर है कि आपके पास से कुछ, हाथ में से कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ निकल ना जाए. देर इज़ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इनस्टेबिलिटी इन योर लाइफ. बहुत इमोशनली आप अपने आप को खाली महसूस कर रहे हैं. आप जानते हैं कि आप बहुत स्ट्रांग हैं, आप सबके सामने स्ट्रांग अपने आप को दिखाने की भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं अंदर से आप इमोशनली खाली हो चुके हैं. इमोशनली आप अपने आप को अकेला फील कर रहे हैं. एक इंस्टेबिलिटी की फीलिंग है, एक डर है फ्यूचर को लेके. दिस माइट हैपन बिकॉज 21 ऑफ जून को सोलर एक्लिप्स है. तो सोलर एक्लिप्स होने की वजह से देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच विल हैपन इन एवरीबडीज लाइफ. सो no need to worry about things, Aries, because things will settle down quite soon. And your future cards show that the first card is Tower. Basically it all has to do with this past judgment, wrong judgment which has been made in your life. This Tower represents your emotional state. So you might be having extreme thoughts, you might be going through a lot emotionally in the recent future. There could be a thinking of getting lost, and you might feel like, going to a new path, might feel like starting something new, because there will be lot of emotional issues with you. You will not be as happy as you usually are. You might be thinking a lot, and it could be because in lot of areas of your life, just because of your overthinking, be it money, be it relationships, or health, or looking after the children or something. So because of all these areas, you're not being able to give your full time and support, and just because you're thinking too much in your mind. So the things are, you might get this emotion that I should go somewhere, or I should just take a break. But the moment you will start thinking about it, Your family will attract you back. You will come back. Even if you are already on that journey, I would say the time is for you to come back to reality. And there could be some minor emotional issues with your partner. All these things, the past and the recent future, is all just because of the Mercury retrograding, and the things are all temporary and they are going to settle down after this month finishes. So